50 long.
Atta boy, KJ!
Let's go, baby! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. World champ! Yes, sir! Oh, yeah! World champ! Yo! Yo! Yes! Yes!
And with style points. You get style points on it too.
Yes, good job, Bo!
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Congrats, Pops. Congrats.
Great job fighting off that single leg, squaring those hips, sliding away. That broke him right there, baby. That broke him. You see that? Got that leg, got those legs out, squared up on him, slid away.
Concede nothing.
Good job.
Concede
Good job.
Concede
World champ.
All teams concede nothing.
Look at war, man. Look at war. You got him up.
Yes.
Atta boy, Bo.
Okay. Get there and take some.
Absolutely. Let's go.
No, it's not because
What'd you see? What'd you feel?
Man, feeling a lot right now. I don't know, man. I don't even know what to say.
Did you go in there with any specific game plan? You watch film on him at all?
No, I watched some of his matches from this tournament, but I'm like that guy. I'm more worried about what I'm gonna do and my stuff. So not too much film work. We knew he'd come out hard, and we got the scrapping. So.
Hey, you're only 14. You gave up points early in every match, and you usually just steamroll through people. And that's a sign of maturity from a really young kid. So, and you give us some points early there too.
Yeah.
Just steamroll them back. That's just your way, huh?
That's it, man. Put the pace on them. I know they can't go with me for 4 minutes, and it'll be the same game plan at Greco. You know, just go out there and break them.
Atta baby, USA, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good job. Let's go.
Congratulations, Will.
Hey, thank you.